Good morning, Hambai. Today we are very happy Especially I want to give my regard to our Honorable MLA, Lauren Silahari, for his kind-hearted and love shown to us. Especially today, we are very fortunate to meet with the local MLA Mwkthang and also our dynamic leader, David Murasing, who took strong movement, vigorous movement, as you all know. From 5th July, he started his foot march from Agartala to Delhi with only one aim and object, that indigenous people of Tiprasa were suffering for many years. As you all know, the history of Tripura. Tripura is one example in India state, which the local people, indigenous people, were marginalized in their own land. They were marginalized in terms of economy, in terms of population, in socio-economic, politically. They are marginalized in their own native land. It is a big setback, big drawback for people. As you all know, Tiprasa is struggling for their existence and survival for long years. As you all know, Tiprasa has an independent country, Prince independent state, marched with India in 1949. Since then, slowly, indigenous people of Tiprasa were suffering. They have suffered in terms of economy, in terms of population. In every sphere of their life, they are struggling. As you all know, there are a lot of accords have signed between Tiprasa and the Indian government, but none of the accord was implemented. As you all know, we have a TNB accord, still not implemented. ATTF accord, LLT accord, IPFT also have some accord. Now latest, most important, we have a Tiprasa accord. Accord was done between central government, Tripura government and Mwkthang. And this accord also is still pending. Therefore, the people of Tiprasa people have lost confidence and faith to the government of India. This is true fact. As a result, our brother David Murasing have started his movement, peaceful democratic movement, foot march. That's about 2,500 kilometers about from Agartala to Delhi. He is sacrificing his life, he is sacrificing his energy just to express, just to give the focus in attention to the Indian government to implement our accord. And in this long march, he have 3 agenda, which he have only told before. One is we want separate state, that is called Greater Tripura. Secondly, we have a illegal immigrant, which was burning issues for all Northeast India, particularly Tripura state, were victimized, were polluted by the illegal immigrant. As you know, Tripura is a border state, border country. We are bordering with Bangladesh. As a result, there are thousands and lakhs of influx every day taking place. But central government and state government is not taking seriously. This is one of the issues. And last issue is our accord, which recently signed between central government, tripartite agreement was signed between Indian government, Tripura government and Tiprasa. These pending issues. So all these issues he is taking care of that. To implement this accord, he have taking pain and agony for his to express his our demand. Therefore, we whole Tiprasa people and all the Budu people, even all the like-minded people of India are giving solidarity to him, support him morally, economically, or supporting him. That's because he is taking very vigorous movement. We pray for him, for his good health. Not only David, there are his team, his leaders. There are 15, 16 youth, dynamic youth are also supporting him. Therefore, we all concerned for him, especially for his health, and also these security measures. And we believe that Government of India will look into it, and his expression, his demand will be fulfilled very shortly. Therefore, we all appeal to the people of India and appeal to the leaders of India in different parties, maybe BJP, maybe Congress, whatever it may be. But good citizen of India will realize the true fact that why Tiprasa people are having movement, democratic movement, peaceful movement. It is a history of movement, long march from Agartala to Delhi. So I think it is a very great concern for us, for people, that as citizen of India, we are all have a feeling